We get a lot of questions about what are the best exercises that can help improve dancing. So today we're gonna share with you 3 very simple but effective exercises. They're gonna help you for sure. So let's do it.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. How to do push-ups, guys? Try to start from the 3 push-ups and do it for 1 week. Next week, try to add another push-up, do 4 for 1 week, and then 5, and so on. When you're doing push-up, try to do it in an interesting way. 4 seconds we're going down and 1 second going up. Just like
Push-ups are really good for us ladies too. Yeah, they're not really easy, but we can handle them for sure.
They're just regular push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this one is really hard for you, you can do the easy version. You just go on your knees and do push-up the easy way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
So the first version of plank is doing on the straight hands. So
You would go down and just hold on your straight hands for 30 seconds. The other version of the plank is you go on your elbow. And the same thing, you can, at the beginning you can hold 30 seconds, then as you feel more stronger, you can hold it for 1 minute, even more if you are capable of.
we are taking 1 step forward and do for 3 counts movement of the arms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it like 10 or 15 times before you will dance, and you can feel the difference in your frame.